Everyone. So in this video, we're going to discuss hormonal control of the male reproductive system. So in this case, we're going to see some very familiar hormones as to what we saw in the female reproductive system. So again, it all begins in the hypothalamus, and we are going to release GnRH again, the gonadotropin releasing hormone. It's very similar to the female reproduction system and hormones already. From here, we stimulate the anterior pituitary, which will release once again FSH and LH. So we're going to have follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. The follicle stimulating hormone is going to do the same thing it did in males as it did in females, except instead of developing the egg, we are going to specifically go to the Sertoli cells and aid in the process of spermatogenesis. So this is how we're going to create the sperm cells because of FSH. We're also going to release inhibin, just like we did previously, and that is going to regulate the gonadotropin releasing hormone through a negative feedback loop. So in other words, if we have too much FSH, we're going to release the inhibin, and it's going to lower the GnRH, and then vice versa. On the other end of it, we have the luteinizing hormone, which this time is going to, because it's the male reproductive system, specifically in the testes, it's going to go to the Leydig cells, which is going to produce more testosterone. And just like we talked about in the female reproductive system, their hormone is going to regulate through a negative feedback loop. So if we have too much testosterone, it's going to tell the luteinizing hormone and it's going to tell the hypothalamus to stop. When that happens, it shuts down the loop and we stop adding testosterone. However, if we do not have enough testosterone, then the hypothalamus is going to begin going through the chain again so that we can increase the testosterone again. So again, negative feedback loop with the two major gonadotropins or sex hormones, FSH and LH. So at this time, if you have any questions on the male reproductive system or even the female reproductive system or anything to do with reproduction, please let me know.